Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So what I have to share with you today is AutoFX. AutoFX. Employ artificial intelligence in Forex trading. Employ artificial intelligence in Forex trading. And then 100% control over your capital in your preferred broker. 100% control over your capital in your preferred broker. So as we all know that Forex trading is one of the ways whereby you can generate residual income online. Forex market is the biggest market in the world with more than $3 trillion trades ongoing on daily basis. So you too can employ artificial intelligence in trading Forex, because before you embark on Forex trading, there are some factors to be considered and there are some requirements, which includes technical know-how, which includes adequate knowledge. It includes enough capital so that you can trade Forex successfully. But all these constraints, it has been rectified by advancement in technology, by the use of artificial intelligence. So which means that you don't need to bother yourself, you don't need to take time spending, you don't need to be studying the chart, you don't need any information, either fundamental analysis or technical analysis. You don't need to go to undergo all the stress required in trading Forex manually. So you can employ artificial intelligence in Forex trading by the use of AutoFX. So this is what I'm going to share with you today. And before I continue, before I go deeper in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Okay, in LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, I review online investment platform and I give you my sincere recommendation so that they can serve as the basis for your own personal decision, for your own action. So you just need to be very responsible for your action. So I give you financial education here, and also I use this as a medium to share with you some ways whereby I make money online. So I share with you here, and you too can watch any of my videos here, and you found that it's very meaningful to you. You can do your own due diligence and research before you dive into them. All right, if you are new on this channel, or if you are yet to subscribe, you need to do that right now. Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for you to be continually aware so that you can get notified whenever I upload new financial educational content like this. And if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful and useful, then don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family, because this can be the information that many of them have been waiting for their financial transformation. Alright, once again, what we are considering today is AutoFX platform, that is how to employ artificial intelligence in Forex trading. And besides, you are having 100% control over your capital. 100, not 20, not 30, not 50, but 100% control over your capital in your preferred broker, which means that your capital is not with AutoFX. Your capital is not with a particular platform, but your capital is in your own preferred broker, in your own broker, the broker of your own choice. So which means that you can withdraw your capital at any time, you can stop the trade at any time. So this is 100% risk free, because you are in charge, you are in total control of your capital. Your capital is not with any company, is not with any platform, is not with AutoFX. So how will you go about it? For that reason, I will go through the company PDF file so that I can share some information about this company, how it operates, and the requirements with you. Okay, so this is their English presentation. So the name of the company is AutoFX. So what are they doing? So let me read through the About Us page. The AFX quantitative team has many years of practical experience in quantitative strategies and has developed a professional quantitative knowledge classroom for novice so that AFX will become a quantitative master in a short time and use AB trade quantitative robots to maximize profit in forex trading investment. So in short, they make use of a robot that is synchronized with your own preferred broker to trade forex on your behalf, whereby it facilitates more wins and making profit for you without any fear of losing your capital on daily basis. So you are making use of a robot to trade forex, but the robot is not with your own broker. So this particular platform called AutoFX, they are the one in charge of the robot. So what they will just do is that it will be linked up with your own broker. It will be linked broker. In what I mean by broker is a financial platform that give you access to trade forex. So before you can trade forex, you need to be registered with a particular broker. So we have different type of broker. We have different brokers around. We have IQ option. We have FX. We have XM, we have binary.com, we have Derive. Though Derive and Binary, they are the same broker. So you can use any of the broker of your own choice, provided there is MT4 and there is MT5 platform on them. Okay, so now a trader is a person, firm, or entity in finance who buy and sell financial instruments such as forex, cryptocurrency, stocks, bonds, commodities, derivatives, and mutual funds in the capacity of agent, hedger, arbitrator, or speculator. So that is who a trader is. Okay, so now let's continue with the presentation. How to start this business. What you just need to start this business is you need your smartphone or your PC, then the activation fund. The smartphone or your PC, then the activation fund. So, and also you need the fuel fee, minimum of $200 in your broker. So you can say that the fuel fee is for the company so that it can run. You only need your fuel phone, your smartphone, then activation fund, then you need fuel fee. Then you also need minimum of $200 in your broker. So you can see that the capital is in your broker, and you have the access to your broker alone. You have the access to your broker alone. You are in charge of the security of your own broker. So your capital is not with AutoFX, unlike so many other companies whereby they claim to be trading forex on your behalf, whereby you have all your capital with them. So you know that anything can happen because there are some unforeseen circumstances that can befall any business, either online business or physical business. So when such occurs, then if they are not sustained enough, it can lead to the downfall of such business. But unlike this one, you have your capital in your own broker, and you have the full access to your broker at any time to withdraw anytime that is convenient for you. So what you just need to do is to have all these requirements, which are the smartphone, activation fund. So the activation fund is the one-time payment for the robot that will work for you. That is one-time payment of the robot. So, and you also need the money to keep the bot running, which is the fuel fee. So you need the fuel fee to keep the bot running. Okay, so you know that when you are trading forex, the transaction charge, it will be that will be the fuel fee. Okay, and now the next one is fully automated hands-free trading. So you shouldn't bother to trade manually since you have activated this. So you shouldn't bother to trade manually. Don't even try it, so that you are not going to lose your capital. All right, so now AutoFX business profession job. Business profession job, money freedom and time freedom. So when you subscribe to this, then you are going to have financial freedom, which is divided into two, which is time freedom and money freedom. Unlike other ways whereby if you are an employee, then you can't have the total freedom of your time and also you can't have the freedom on your expenses, on your money. But when you are trading forex, when you employ artificial intelligence in forex trading, and when you make use of auto fx, that means that you have the total freedom on your time and on your money. So as we all know that forex, there are some times whereby we are going to have a dip, and there are some times whereby we are going to have a bearish market and a bullish market. So all these things have been embedded in the robot, so it knows how to make the real decision, that is that which will facilitate more profit for you, and it will reduce the risk of losing your capital. So that is what artificial intelligence does. That is what artificial intelligence does. All broker accepted MT4 and MT5. So this, which means that it is not limited to any broker. Besides, AutoFX, they don't have their own broker. So you can make use of any broker that accepts MT4 and MT5. So, and I believe there is no regulated broker that is well registered that doesn't accept MT4 or MT5 trading platform. Okay, so what you just need to do is to join now. The amount for the activation is, as in the activation fee for the robot is just $80. As you can see, joining amount is $80. You can register for free, and the VPS charge, that is the charge that includes, is $10, which makes it $90. So now there are so many ways whereby you can earn through this auto FX aside your own daily trading. So there are several ways to make money. So let me go through the ways. We have types of incomes here. First one, we have referral program. Whenever you refer a friend, a family to this platform, whenever they subscribe, whenever they activate their own robot, then you are paid for that. Another one is number 2, fuel programming. Then you have 20% of this. Then another one is partner programming. 4 is performance programming. 5 is level income. So you have 5 ways whereby you can make money in auto FX. Now, AF3 total team 100, AF2, AF4. So these are the ways whereby you can make money in auto FX. So it doesn't require you to refer, but if you are a networker and you wish to carry your network along, then there will surely be a reward for that. So you can earn up to several levels of your referrals, onto the 7th levels of your referrals. So, and this is another means to generate residual income. That is, you make money while you are sleeping. So let's go through the other ways. So these are the ways where you can make money. Performance programming. So you can, if you need a copy of this PDF, I can send to you of this document. Just chat me up on WhatsApp or through the comments box of this video. So after adding an account to the robot, you should not manually trade in it. You should not manually trade in it. You should not manually trade in it after you have added your account. After you have added your account to the robot. So, because if you do this, the account will be removed from the robot, and so it will take 5 to 10 days to add it back. Thank you, AFX team. After the account is added on the robot, you will withdraw 10% to 40% every month. So you withdraw 10 to 40% of your capital every month. As in, you earn up to 40% of your capital every month. So that is it. Profit can be withdrawn anytime, but ensure minimum equity of 200% in your account at all time. So just make sure that you have the minimum deposit, the minimum capital in your respective broker, in your preferred broker, but you can withdraw all your profit at any time. But make sure that you have the 200 minimum equity in your account at all time. So fuel fee is paid at the end of the month, of the trading month. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you can start with your mobile phone, so can link it up and you can see the trade as it goes on your MT4 or your MT5 app. So that is all about this. So in summary of this, AutoFX uh, is a platform that makes use of artificial intelligence in designing of a robot. The robot helps you to trade forex, and your account, your AutoFX account is linked up with your broker. So which means that your capital is in your broker. Your capital is not with AutoFX. So you are in full charge, you are in full control of your capital in your broker. So, and what you need to start this is $80 and another $10 for the VPS activation with your own capital. So you need less than $300 to start this, and you are making between 10 to 40% of your capital on monthly basis. So you can say that this is 100% risk free because you are not depositing into FAFX pause. So you have your money in your own wallet, you have your money in your own broker. So that is how to go about this. For more information, just check the description box of this video, and I'm going to drop the link so that you can get registered, so that you can get your account activated. Don't worry, in the subsequent video on AFX, I will show you how to fund your account and I will show you how to activate it. But you just need to register first so that you can have access to this. So just check through the description box of this video now, and you are going to see the registration link there. Just click on it and get registered. Make sure you use correct details about yourself. So that is how to go about it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you are new here, you need to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and set it to all notification. You can also browse through the channel. There are several videos that have been done in the past on how you can make money online and other ways whereby you can generate residual or passive income. Don't forget, if you have any question, you can contact me through my email address or through the comment box of this video. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. So once again, thanks for watching this video. Until the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.